Hello and welcome to this video. If you're switching from Firefox to Microsoft Edge and want to keep your bookmarks, passwords, and browsing history, you're in the right place. Today, I'll guide you step by step on how to import your data quickly and easily. Let's get started and make your transition smooth. Open Microsoft Edge on your computer. Click on the three-dot menu at the top right corner of the browser. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. Make sure you're in the Profiles section in the left sidebar. Scroll down and click on Import Browser Data. Next, click on Import Data from Firefox. A new panel will appear. Now choose the types of data you want to import, such as bookmarks, passwords, and browsing history. After selecting the data types, click on the Import button. Wait for the process to complete. A confirmation message will appear once the data is successfully imported. And that's it. Your Firefox data is now available in Microsoft Edge. If you found this video helpful, feel free to subscribe for more quick tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.